My name is Desmond Okachukwu Diala. I am currently an online student of Brigham Young University, Idaho, and I reside in the United Arab Emirates. Today, I will be talking about nutrition, its benefits to the body, and possible healthy eating. According to Wikipedia's definition of nutrition, it is the biochemical and physiological process by which an organism uses food to support its life. A healthy diet helps to protect against malnutrition in all its forms, as well as non-communicable diseases, including such as diabetes, heart disease, stroke, and cancer. Eating a variety of foods and consuming less salt, sugar, saturated and industrially produced trans fats are essential for healthy diet. Unhealthy diets and lack of physical activity are leading global risk to health. Limiting intake of free sugar to less than 10% of total energy intake is part of a healthy diet. A further reduction to less than 5% of total energy intake is suggested for additional health benefits. Keeping salt intake to less than 5 grams per day helps to prevent hypertension and reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke in the adult population. Below are a few guides to help you maintain a healthy living. 1. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables. It is important to note that fruits and vegetables contain many of the essential vitamins and minerals that our body cannot produce on its own, and it is what makes us feel healthy and energized. 2. Eat your breakfast regularly. Eating breakfast every day helps you burn more calories throughout the day. 3. Eat more of fish. Some advantages of eating fish include helping you to sleep better, improve vision, and eye health due to its rich in vitamin A. 4. Eat little of salt, not more than 5 grams a day. If you have heart disease or congestive heart failure, eating lots of salt can cause fluid retention, which can lead to shortness of breath and hospitalization. 5. Get active and maintain a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy body weight can protect you from a variety of illnesses. By assessing your body's healthy weight and maintaining it as much as possible, you will be armed with an additional tool to stay in shape and live longer. 6. Reduce the high intake of saturated fat and sugar. Much intake of foods that contain saturated fat raises the level of cholesterol in your blood, which can increase stroke and cause heart diseases. Do not get thirsty. Finally, base your meal on higher fiber, starch, carbohydrates. According to World Health Organization member states, they have agreed to reduce the global population intake of salt by 30% by 2025. They have also agreed to halt the rise in diabetes and obesity in adults and adolescents, as well as in childhood overweight by 2025. So I urge you to always take into consideration things you eat, because health is wealth.